So you're driving down the road and all of a sudden a check engine light illuminates on your dashboard. You panic. You really don't know what to do. At that point, you think your engine is about to explode. But wait a second, before you get a heart attack, let me explain to you what a check engine light really means. Hello everyone, this is Awad here from Advanced Mechanics, and in this video, I'm going to be explaining to you what a check engine light is really all about. And later in the video, we'll be giving you some of the most common causes of a check engine light that you can also fix right at home without the help or need of a mechanic. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Let's get into the video. So modern vehicles have ways of communicating to you. They have a component called the Electronic Control Unit, or ECU. The ECU is like the brain of the car, and it basically controls all the systems that make your engine run. So systems like fuel injection, ignition timing, emission control, and intake of air into the engine are all controlled by the ECU. The ECU constantly makes minor adjustments on these systems to make sure your engine runs at its most highest efficient level. Now, when there is a fault in any of these systems, be it in the sensor, the circuit wiring, or a mechanical fault, the ECU is going to pick it up and store it as a code. When this happens, the ECU will trigger a check engine light to pop up on your dashboard. The ECU is sort of like giving you a digital alert to inform you that something is not working as it should. But once you see a check engine light on your dashboard, should you be scared? To answer that question, the character of the check engine light will tell you if it's an emergency or not. When a check engine light is flashing or blinking, it means something needs to be attended to immediately. Driving around with a flashing or a blinking check engine light may result in damages that can cost you a lot of money. So when you see it blinking or flashing, just find a safe place to park and call for help. When the check engine light is solid or just on while you're driving, it means something is not working as it should, but it's really not an emergency. You can drive to your destination, but should not ignore it. You should get your vehicle looked at as soon as possible. However, if both a solid check engine light and an oil pressure light comes on, or one follows the other, and maybe a solid check engine light and an overheating light comes on, please stop immediately because further driving may cause permanent damage to your engine. Now let's look at some of the most common causes of a check engine light. The first one on the list is a not fully closed or sealed gas cap. So your car's fuel system is a closed fuel system. A loose gas cap will break the seal of your car's evap system or evaporative emission system. This will cause an evap code to be stored in your car's electronic control unit or ECU. So if a check engine light comes on after fueling your vehicle, a loose gas cap is one of the possible causes. And this is usually because you forgot to fully close your gas cap or the fuel attendant forgot to fully close the gas cap. So once you see this, go back to the gas cap, open it and fully close it this time, and observe the check engine light on the dashboard. If it doesn't disappear on the dashboard after driving for some time, you can clear the code using these cheap OBD2 scanners. All you have to do is plug it underneath the steering wheel, put the keys on the on position, and erase the code. If you want me to show you how you can erase the code using one of these cheap OBD2 scanners, let me know in the comment section below. Alright, so the second cause on the list is aftermarket parts. Aftermarket parts or accessories may alter with factory specifications, resulting in sensor readings that fall outside the ECU's expected parameters. So if you're buying a part for a vehicle, make sure you buy original equipment manufacturer's parts or OEM parts. Other common causes include a dirty or bad mass airflow sensor, a bad oxygen sensor, a misfire caused by either a bad spark plug or an ignition coil, vacuum leaks either brought by because of a crack in the intake tubing or a worn out seal. So there you have it. The next time you see a check engine light illuminate on the dashboard, please don't panic. Determine and see whether it's an emergency or not. If you like this video, please like, comment and share. And if not a subscriber, consider subscribing so that you do not miss any of these videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.